I would like to invite Himanshu. Himanshu is going to walk you through that how you need to create a project in Bitbucket. All of you should start, first of all, create a Bitbucket project profile, upload your code, whatever you have, and that is the entry we're going to select. Bitbucket is very similar to GitHub, correct? So that's what you need to do. Himanshu, over to you.
Can I get a laptop? Hey guys, everyone hear me? So how many of you actually know about Git and code handling and everything? How many people here use Git on a daily basis? Okay, so I see not a lot of people. How many people use something that's not Git but still something to manage code? SVN, Mercury, Bazaar. Okay, so we have a lot of people. So I'm a big fan of Git. I use Git every day. So I'm going to introduce you a little bit to Bitbucket. Dushyant asked me to introduce you guys to GitHub, but GitHub is mostly for open source project if you don't want to pay. When I suggested that we use Bitbucket. So Bitbucket is free even if you have a few private repos. You can have about 5 to 6 people on your team for free. So that's a very good advantage of Bitbucket. So let's just sign into Bitbucket.
Also, a humble request to all of you, if you have any torrents or any other service that are running, please stop it, because if you download something which is huge in size, it will gonna affect the rest of the people as well. So request that don't download, use it for your coding purpose. There is internet, it's free, correct, use it, but don't download things. If you need any help, just let us know and we'll do it for you. Okay?
Okay, so this is Bitbucket. As you can see, it says unlimited private code repos. But so the way Bitbucket limits is you can have unlimited repos, but you cannot have a lot of people on one team. So as it says, it's free for 5 people. You can sign up. So they have a lot of sign up options as far as I remember. They have, they have Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub. So you can directly use that. You don't have to do a lot. You can just, okay, I'm just going to log in. So as you can see, I've pushed a lot of commits. That's bad. Okay, so this is where you can create your private repos. So you can just create your repos. Since I have access to a lot of other accounts, I get an owner option, but you usually don't. You type in your name of the repo or whatever project you're working on. So let's say it's project XYZ. You can add in a description, and then you have something called an access level. So if you're planning to make your project open source, I would recommend that you don't make it a private repository, or if you don't want to keep it open source now or do it later, you can always make it a private repo and invite the rest of your team members in one place. So you're all working on the same code, working on the same thing. So you can do like every 3 hours or every 6 hours, you can do a sync up, see that none of your code is mismatching. People aren't working on the same thing. Everything integrates nicely. So that's really helpful with using Git. Here you can change to your repository type, Git or Mercurial. I'd suggest staying on Git for now. And for project management, you have 2 other options that are available for free again. So you have something like a wiki that you can have a page where you want to help people how to install your project, how to download and build your project. Or you want people to add in bug reports or things like that. And that will be available through issue tracking for you. And language, you can just select a language here if you want to, or otherwise most of the time it will generally automatically figure it out what you do after your first commit and do it. So once you've created the repos, it will automatically show you the repo and will tell you how to get started. So this is So this is telling you how to start if you have no code right now. So you have something, you have a link which says setup Git. When you click on it, it will open up a page. It will show you a lot of methods that you can set up. As far as I remember, there's a client that made by the same company. It's called SourceTree. So yeah, so here it suggests using the Git if you want to do it command line. But if you don't want to do it command line, there's something called SourceTree as well that you can use. So it handles both types of repos. It's for Windows and Mac. So this will help you. You don't have to learn a lot, and this will really help you. And you can use all the instructions are available here to see to get everything done. So once you make a commit, you will not see this page anymore, and you will start seeing your actual code. Okay, anyone got any questions? I think no. So Dushyant? Okay, Dushyant's missing. If you need any help with Bitbucket or anything, you can catch me offline as well.